Congratulations to Android users. Congratulations to us. iPhone users now go here. Alright, Cliposy just launched an app for us. They just launched an app for us. Look at this. Where is it? Where is the app? Cliposy. Voila, this is the app, okay? They just launched the app for us Android users. Celebrity people. Alright, so when we started using Cliposy, I requested with them to get us an app if they actually want to be serious in the business, and here it is. They got us the app that we were looking for. Right, without wasting your time, let me show you how to install the app and start using it. If you know how to use Proxy, this is going to be a piece of cake for you. The only issue you are going to have is with if you just install the app, you are going to see everything in Chinese. So how did I change it then? I'm not going to change them again. No. Alright, but it's kind of like easy to change. I will show you. So if you want to install the app, just go over to the website and click on the menu button. You see this download. You click on download. Alright, it will give you a list of their applications. So you see the ones for laptop, you see the ones for Android. So you just simply scroll down and install the Android 1.0 app. This is what you are going to install. Once you click on this, it's going to download. All right, so once you download, you install the APK. Once you download, you install the APK. Where is my this thing go? Install the APK. This is my downloads. Where is the app? Order. My app not there again. But this is where, okay, no be this app I use install them. Sorry. Whereas once you've installed it, if you already have IP, just go and log in and use. But if you don't have IP already, what you are going to do is you create an account. Alright, you create an account with them. You will see create an account. See, because I have account, so once you click on the menu, you will see where to create account. You sign up, then you log in, then you go to this page, CD key, and redeem CD key. And there are two places you can buy the CD key. You can either buy it from proxy.theprice.com.ng, or you buy it from proxyvendor.com. Okay, proxyvendor.com. These are the two websites you can buy your IP from: proxy.theprice.com.ng or proxyvendor.com for Nigeria users. Alright, okay, so after you've bought the CD key, you go back to the CD key redemption page and you click on this button, this exchange CD key right here, exchange CD key, and you input the CD key you want to load. Okay, then you click on this exchange button and you will see it on your balance. So you don't have any other thing to do here. Just log into the app. You log into the app and start and connect. Okay, so now let's go to the app, assuming you've done everything here. Okay, you've created an account, you've recharged, and you already have IP on your balance. So what you're going to do is to just simply go to the app and log in. Alright, once you're logged in, you click on this. Okay, let me wipe this off and start all over again. But once you are here, you click on this extract. Alright, you click on extract, and let me quickly do this all over again. Okay, for the sake of those that will find this difficult, so once you are logged in like this, once you log in for the first time, this is how you are going to see it. Everything is going to be in Chinese. So what you are going to do is this: you come to this page down here, this profile icon, this one. See, look well. You come here, click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to show you this page. Alright, so the next thing you are going to do is to click on this one in the middle. Click on it. Alright, once you click on it, it's going to show you a list of languages. So select English. Now everything is now in English. Let's go back. All right, so once we are back here, so we are going to click on extract ip. Once you click on extract ip, you'll be fast now. Don't waste our time. Once you click on extract ip, you can find you click on this. So let's assume the country you are looking for is not here. You just click on this. Or these people, they do mistake for their flag. They are using UK for US. Okay, so you click on this filter button. This one that looks like funnel. Okay, this one that looks like funnel is what you are going to click on it. The first one is country, so select the country you are looking for. The second one is state, select the state you are looking for. The next one is city, select the city you are looking for. Okay, so let me just select any Accounting. I can't search for city, so I can't go looking for my London. Alright, so once you've selected all those ones, which one is this? This one is the ASN, but I don't have any business with it. You can find it from the IP pool. Okay, so you click on this button right here. It's still in Chinese, but this is very understandable. So you click on this button, this blue button, so that it searches for what you are looking for. What's happened now? I've been a acquaintance, no get IP. Let me find London, I beg. Okay. Alright. It's now showing us all the IPs from all these IPs you are seeing here are from London. You can check the IP details here. You see region London, Sky UK. That's the first one. Okay, you can be checking down like this to see maybe you are looking for one thing or the other, so you know which one you are going to pick. All right, so let's connect to this first one. Don't remind me again, I'm not a kid. Okay, then you allow notification permission, allow all the necessary listing to send notification, then you are now connected. All right, you are now connected. So you can now go and check your IP on hoa.net. All right, let's go and check our IP on hoa.net and see hoa.net. Do well, be fast, stop wasting our time. Okay, you can see from the IP you are already know it's UK. All right, look at it, it is a UK IP. All right, it's a UK IP. So I think that is basically it. That's how to use the Cliposy mobile app. It is very, very easy to use. So for those of you that are still missing PR Proxy, we are on our way back to something similar to PR Proxy. Okay, you now have an app for Cliposy. It's now a plug and play proxy. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.